Hi, this is Gil, and thanks for coming in and checking out this video. I want to talk today about why focus should be your main focus. And what the hell do I mean about that? Well, we live in a world of distraction. The digital world that we live in today is a world of total and constant, never-ending distraction. I'm getting distracted right now looking out the window. How do you start your day? Let me ask you this. How do you start your day? Now, I start my day by getting up in the morning, or even just reaching out of bed and grabbing my phone and going scroll, check my messages, check my emails, check my notifications straight away. And I kick myself every time I do that because I think that's really not a good way to start the day. I've just had this wonderful, restful sleep, and then I'm putting into my mind stress and outside influences from the world. It could be anything. Do I really want to be polluting my mind or setting myself in reaction to the world right from the beginning? And no, I don't want to be doing that. I'd much rather get up in the morning, have a shower, meditate. I do meditation, I do transcendental meditation, clear my mind, get myself a cup of coffee, and then sit down with my laptop and do some work and engage with the world from that point. Rather than just being in reaction to the world. And this is what happens with us in this modern world, is that we just have constant distraction. I'll give you another example. How many social media platforms are you on? Are you on Facebook? Are you on Instagram? Are you on YouTube like you are right now? How many of those do you really need to be on is the question. Now, a lot of my friends have gone on digital detoxes where they don't look at their social media accounts for a week. And that's really good for you. Some people can't go that long. I've got other friends who have just totally removed themselves from Facebook or from Instagram. I've got one active friend, and he says, look, I'm not on any social media at all. None. Zero. He doesn't want to be on social media at all. And he says, why? Because he can read a book. Every time he's scrolling through his phones, he's going to work on the bus or on the train, he can read, a book a month, whereas otherwise he couldn't. In this digital world, we need to take control about what goes into our mind and what we put out and what we put our focus and attention on. And the way to do that is to find out what your focus is and stick to that as your main focus. And that means cutting things out of your life. I mean, we are literally meant to do everything, aren't we? I mean, I run an online business, and some of my friends also run online businesses, and we're told that we need to be on LinkedIn, we need to be on Facebook, we need to be on Instagram, we need to be on YouTube, we need to be on all these platforms, and it gets very, very overwhelming. And once you're overwhelmed, your productivity goes down. You get less done. I'll give you another example. I'm just spewing out examples here because this is a big topic for me. It's close to where I'm at right now. And that is, I have another friend, and he's a very good looking guy. He's, blonde, cute face, good looking body. He's a good looking guy. And he's a great mate of mine. He's a lovely bloke, really sweet guy. But he has this sort of problem with women. He has too many women in his life. He dates online dating apps and stuff, and he has lots of dates, and he has a hard time focusing on one girl and I'm sure you can relate to this, right? That the problem with online dating is that, yes, you can get dates really easily, but then you've got other, he gets distracted by all these other girls. He goes, oh, I should be messaging them, when he's actually got a really good girl to begin with, which is what he really wanted, which was a Brazilian girl. He gets distracted because there's just too many options. And I'm sure it's the same for you. I'm sure you've got things going on in your life right now where you've actually being overwhelmed or bombarded with stuff, right? We are in a world where it's a battle for your attention. I'm fighting for your attention right now. Hopefully you resonate with me, and hopefully I can give you some clarity. And the key to make your focus, the main focus, whatever that is, right? If you're running a business and you're deciding that, right, I'm just going to focus on this. If that's the case, I'll give you an example. Let's say you're wanting to market your business online, okay? Instead of spreading yourself too thin with all these social media apps, choose one traffic source and just do that for a year. Just do that for a year. That's what I'm doing right now. What I'm doing is I'm going all in on YouTube. I'm doing the platform which I love the most, which is YouTube. I love doing videos for my subscribers, and I love serving this community online. Okay, so I'm going to cut out all the other stuff, right? I'm not doing Facebook anymore. I'm barely doing Instagram. I might upload a picture, but that's it. I won't worry too much about, you know, optimizing or marketing or building followers on Instagram. Just do YouTube, okay? Just sell one product. That's what I'm doing, okay? That's the brilliance of this, is that you'll start to get traction and move forward, and you'll master one thing. It is very unusual to have that kind of focus. Most people are off in multiple directions, okay? They lack clarity, they lack focus. And it's designed that way. You know, we're walking around with these devices in our pockets, and we can be contacted by friends or businesses at any time, day or night, constantly, you know? So you need to take control. You need to take control of your phone. You need to take control of your online time. The way to do that is to cut things out, okay? Go through your emails. Look at stuff that you get an email. Do you want to read that email? Do you want to get that email again? Yes or no? If you don't, bloody well subscribe. Go to the scroll to the bottom and unsubscribe and get rid of them out your life. The more you can cut stuff out of your life, the better you're going to be. For your career, for the friends that really mean something to your life, or your lovers that really mean stuff to you, right? You want to go deep on people. Don't go lots of shallowness and touching base and trying to be, you know, the president where you're shaking hands with everyone online. Focus on what really matters to you. To do that, you have to cut stuff out of your life. And I believe this is what, if we do this, myself included, if we do this, we will be a lot more successful. The ability to cut things out of your life will determine how successful you will be. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and stay tuned for the next video. All the best. Bye.